Native Deodorant offers a compelling natural option for those seeking a more eco-friendly and skin-conscious alternative to traditional antiperspirants. This eucalyptus and mint version is a standout, harnessing the refreshing, herbal, and earthy notes of nature for a clean scent that's both invigorating and fresh. The formula is free from aluminum, parabens, phthalates, and talc, making it a great choice for anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals. Native also prides itself on cruelty-free practices, ensuring that no animals are harmed in testing their products. What sets Native apart from other natural deodorants is the thoughtful blend of ingredients. Baking soda works as the primary odor neutralizer, while shea butter and coconut oil provide a smooth, moisturizing texture that's gentle on the skin. The scent is derived from natural sources, and synthetic fragrances are carefully avoided, making it an ideal pick for sensitive skin types. The solid stick glides on effortlessly, providing a light and fresh feeling without being greasy or sticky. However, while the product works well for most, it's important to note that transitioning to a natural deodorant can take some time. Native advises users to give their bodies up to 14 days to adjust, especially if they are switching from traditional antiperspirants. This means that the deodorant may not provide immediate, long-lasting results for everyone, but once the adjustment period is over, many users find it effectively combats odor without irritating the skin. As for performance, Native generally excels in providing reliable odor protection throughout the day. Many users report that it holds up well during moderate physical activity, though those with particularly active lifestyles might need to reapply throughout the day. It's worth considering if you're looking for an aluminum-free option, but do keep in mind that the protection from sweat isn't as strong as traditional antiperspirants, which block sweat entirely. When comparing Native to other brands in the natural deodorant space, it holds up well. It uses a blend of natural ingredients like coconut oil and baking soda, much like other popular options. However, Native stands out with its commitment to transparency and its clean, inviting scents. Brands like Schmidt's and Tom's of Maine also offer similar products, but Native's smoother application and natural fragrances set it apart. In terms of value for money, Native offers a reasonable price point for those seeking a more natural approach to deodorant. Its effectiveness, pleasant scent, and thoughtful ingredient choices make it a solid option. However, if you're looking for cheaper alternatives, some drugstore brands like Dove or Secret offer aluminum-free options at a lower price. Overall, Native Deodorant is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a safe, natural, and effective deodorant. Whether you're someone who's already committed to natural beauty, or you're just starting to make the switch, Native provides an easy and trustworthy solution. It's ideal for those who prioritize eco-conscious products and have sensitive skin.